Introducing the 2020 Nissan Leaf 62K EV SVE 62KW MY20. This sleek black electric MPV is packed with all the comfort, safety and technology features you could ever dream of. From air conditioning and cruise control to ABS and collision alert, this vehicle has it all. Plus, with luxury trim and privacy glass, you'll be cruising in style and security. Rest assured, knowing this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us or visit randallsbros.com for more information today.